Hey neighbors, notice that rotted strip of wood between your driveway slabs? Those are expansion joints, and I started a local business that specializes in replacing them. So why should you get them replaced? Well, they're not just an eyesore, they actually serve a purpose. When water seeps into those joints, it can wash away the soil underneath your concrete, leading to sinking sections or cracks over time. Our four-step process seals your joints completely, protecting your driveway from water erosion. And right now, we're offering free hairline crack filling with every expansion joint replacement. Call, text, or request a quote on our website today. Let's keep your driveway looking great and lasting longer.